2018. It is 8 a.m. and the new access to the T building has now been opened. So just take a quick little tour here so that we can see what we got. Brand new courtyard up here. If we rotate around, this is the access over to the A building and the M building. Still got some work they're doing. Coming on around. Down there is Machine Technologies, the fence that you see in front of T121, T111, and T101 is actually in the process of coming down. So this will all be opened up here very soon. Let's take a look over here, see what we can see. There's the A building up there. Like I said, there's still got some work going on up there. It's coming along quite nicely. So panorama here. New elevator. All right.